Hey guys, so this is another series in my organization of my room, my drawers, and just, I guess, my life. So today we're going to organize our wires. I'll show you guys what we're working it with, but first I want to show you guys what I got on Amazon to organize my wires. So I got this cable organizer from Amazon. I've actually been watching like so many tech people. I always watch a lot of tech people. If you guys don't know, I am a big techie. I'm considered my IT support in the house, and I watch a lot of tech people, and they always recommend these cable organizers. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna pick one up. And this wasn't too expensive. I think it was like 10, something like that. It was like really inexpensive. I get one and try and organize a little better. Show you guys what it looks like. Just this big thing, and I think it should work. So I'll show you guys what we're working with, and I'm gonna like change the angle right now so you guys can see exactly what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so this is what we are working with. So these are like different types of bricks. I have portable chargers, so many different wires, headphones. You know, these I really don't use. I have now these headphones that I will be using. These are fake AirPods, if you're wondering. More headphones that are wireless. I have my iPhone 12 Maxi charger, which I bought, which I haven't used yet. And like other camera wires and things that I want to organize neatly. So get our small wires that we have. So I have like this small cable wire. And then another one. These are all 4 portable chargers. And we're just gonna put them all together. So now I know where they are because I always lose them. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the output of what I did. I wasn't able to get everything in. Like, as you guys saw, this wire I can't get in. It's really long and big, and it just won't fit. So we're gonna have to keep that in the drawer, and like things like this won't fit. And then I tried to put portable chargers in, but they won't fit, but the wires will. So that's okay. So I'm gonna show you guys like my method to this, like tell you guys what I did. So these are mostly portable chargers. I think there's one camera charger. So these are all portable chargers. This is a different wire or like little random things. These are like all my bricks that I have. I have like 3 extra bricks, which are always handy to have. They're not USB-C, but I do have some anyway. So this is headphones. This is my MagSafe wireless charger, and then on this side I put another pair of headphones. This is my USB-C brick, then I have an extra one and a regular A brick, so it's like a dual one. This is for like my computer. This is in case I actually want to have headphones. So yeah. So these are like more bricks. I maybe like might end up just putting them all over here if they all fit. And then this is like another wire. I'm not exactly sure where it goes. If I can't figure out, I might just get rid of it. This is another phone wire. I have like so many extra wires for like the iPhone. It's good to have handy ones. And yeah, she had to take out that white one because it kind of was making it too bulky, which I really don't want. But these are more like random stuff that I don't really need out all the time. So So it's good that they'll be put away somewhere safe and it won't make my drawer as messy. So see if we can. It's very handy to have. So these are very handy to have if you have like a lot of wires like me and you have like so many things that are always all over the place. I highly recommend it. I will leave my link down below. Also, just so you know, now I am an Amazon Associates member. So since I am, I will be getting very little percentage of money. Anybody can be a member. You don't have to be a YouTuber or anything. You can become a member, which is great. So highly recommend doing that. So yeah, so I recommend doing that. If you guys want to get one of these to organize your wire, check out my link. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think the next one I'm going to be doing my jewelry. I got this jewelry organizer that I want to do, so definitely be on the lookout for that in this series. We're also going to be decluttering my makeup. So if you guys love the declutter series, definitely let me know. I will try to do more of these, and I really enjoy making myself more minimalistic as much as I can. It's hard though, but I really am trying to like minimalize things and make it a little more. I'm not trying to be a minimalist, I'm just trying to be less cluttered here. So trying to make ways to make sure things aren't all over the place. So this is one of those things. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye guys.